Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys what I packed in my carry-on luggage for a month in Europe. So, starting off, I packed 18 pairs of undies, enough just in case I'm not able to wash every day because we will be staying in Airbnbs, maybe even hostels. And I also brought with me 10 pairs of socks, the same with that, just in case I'm not able to wash every day, and then a pair of jammies. Next, I packed 3 dresses. One is a dressier one, and then the 2 other ones are t-shirt dresses that I could dress up or I could dress down depending on the occasion. And then I brought with a romper for maybe a night out. And I also packed a long sleeve cardigan just in case I need it at night. And because I'm going to a Bruno Mars concert, I brought my Hooligans jersey. I packed 4 tank tops and 3 different sleeve length shirts that are a little dressier, a t-shirt, and then 1 long sleeve. I also brought along 2 pairs of jeans, one being a dark wash jean and the other one being a black jean, and 3 shorts. One is dressier and a little lightweight, and the other 2 are just black and then a light wash jean. I also brought a quick dry towel, which is very lightweight, a swimsuit, and a swimsuit cover-up. And because you have to be ready for the weather, I brought with a windbreaker that's also waterproof, and 3 bras, 2 regular ones and then 1 strapless. And I also packed 2 pairs of Converse. One is not shown, but one is right there. And then the other thing that I packed was a pair of nude flats for the dressier occasions. And that was it, guys.